Hello everyone! For this video, we will make teriyaki sauce for chicken. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce and sugar. Mix it until the sugar is dissolved and the ingredients are mixed together. Then add some water and mix it again. After, pour it in a hot pan. Stir it constantly. While waiting for it to become sticky, subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos and easy recipes. When it is already sticky, add the chicken and stir it so that the chicken will be covered with the sauce. This is optional, but you can add sesame seeds to the chicken. Tada! Chicken in teriyaki sauce is ready. Serve it and enjoy!